This segment will show you how to attach the flow control assembly and adjust your push spreader to achieve the best results. Begin by first attaching the flow control assembly part 11 to the right handle tube by threading 2 hex bolts part A, each with 1 washer part N. Insert these bolts through the 2 holes in the flow control assembly. Then, place 1 more washer part N onto each bolt, and then insert the bolts through the matching holes in the handle tubes. Secure the bolts in place using 2 nylock nuts, part K, but do not tighten the nuts completely. Next, take the end of the flow control rod, part 5, with the double bend, and insert that end into the remaining hole in the drive link bracket attached to the bottom of the hopper. Twist the rod so that the end of it points down. Now insert the other end of the flow control rod through the hole in the control arm on the flow control assembly. Secure it in place with a washer, part N, and a cotter pin, part I. Bend the ends of the cotter pin with pliers for security. To install the adjustable stop, first thread the carriage bolt, part F, through the adjustable stop, part S, as you see here, with the arms facing up. Next, insert the carriage bolt up through the bottom of the slot in the flow control assembly, and then secure it by threading a nylon washer, part L, and a wing nut, part R, onto the bolt. Make sure the flow control arm is located above the adjustable stop so that the arm can lock into the closed position. Now, install the control grip, part Y, onto the flow control arm. And finally, install the handle grips, part Q, onto the spreader's handles. We will now set the flow control to a general working order. To begin, set the adjustable stop to the 5 setting mark and tighten the wing nut. Move the control arm back against the stop. Then, slide the entire flow control assembly along the handle tubes until the flow plate, as seen from the inside at the bottom of the hopper, is open halfway. Now tighten all the bolts and nuts holding the flow control assembly to the handle tubes. Readjust the adjustable stop to the 10 setting mark and make sure that the flow plate opens and closes completely by moving the flow control arm. Readjust the position of the flow control assembly as necessary to attain a fully functional flow control.